Yo, snap.
I need a spiritual battle, wash away all my sins. Learn my lesson on the superior path, don't try this shit there again. Time to turn directions, get what I have so I can find a way I can win. Find a way so I can win, gotta find a way so I can win, yeah. I need a spiritual battle, wash away all my sins. Learn my lesson on the superior path, don't try this shit there again. Time to turn directions, get what I have so I can find a way I can win. Find a way so I can win, gotta find a way so I can win, yeah. I can feel it in my soul, so fuck the critics cause I'ma still go chase my goals. Ain't gon' lie, I didn't waste my time on these hoes, but now it's different, at least I can say I ain't told. Shit don't happen overnight, gotta stay consistent, baby. It's been a long road, I won't go without a fight if a nigga come get me, baby. With this glizzy won't fold. The bitch you piping just might wanna keep the jit, she crazy. You don't want me growing old. The jit you fight just might not consist, just brave. Not know who creek gon' get cold. Even if you gon' get rich, can't take that shit too great. But not wrong with to get your dose. Till everybody died and they ain't shit. Get saved, so go sleep on my soul. I got common sense just cause you think you get the play. Gotta see revenge, don't speak no more. Send around to my shit, hope the glaze up the fields won't break. Cause call my bitch if you ain't know. Yeah, I need a spiritual battle, wash away all my sins. Learn my lesson on the superior path, don't try this shit there again. Time to turn directions, get what I have so I can find a way I can win. Find a way so I can win, gotta find a way so I can win, yeah. I need a spiritual battle, wash away all my sins. Learn my lesson on the superior path, don't try this shit there again. Time to turn directions, get what I have so I can find a way I can win. Find a way so I can win, gotta find a way so I can win, yeah. Just cause they ain't wanna fuck me, date me, don't mean I can't get sex. Don't care about them saying they think I'm regular, baby, cause what about David? Know somebody ain't playing when they come to me, baby. Before I get your pass, I need respect. Or I ain't standing in your company flaking, don't think you can't get tricked. I miss that pass out in the world, don't think that's all. Could drink a blood next. I got that cologne that say Florida pepper and petroleum drops of that. I miss that cinnamon with papaya leaf, take the crystals off my neck. Ancestors spirits, I call them with white candles, see the least 30 minutes, now I'm protected. Yeah, I need a spiritual battle, wash away all my sins. Learn my lesson on the superior path, don't try this shit there again. Time to turn directions, get what I have so I can find a way I can win. Find a way so I can win, gotta find a way so I can win, yeah. Yeah, I need a spiritual battle, wash away all my sins. Learn my lesson on the superior path, don't try this shit there again. Time to turn directions, get what I have so I can find a way I can win. Find a way so I can win, gotta find a way so I can win, yeah. Look, you wanna sit at the edge of the tub, and you wanna call in your angels, gods, ancestors, and the divine. My most favorite is my ancestors. You wanna ask them to sanctify this bad space, to make this bad space sacred, to make it holy. You wanna tell me your intentions, like my intentions for this bad soul and my intentions for this baptism is to completely remove bad vibes off of me, to completely remove this curse, to break this curse for my highest and greatest good. I have freedom on me, I have abundance on me, I have love on me, peace and miracles flow to me now. This curse is completely removed. I ask angels and gods, I ask ancestors, I ask the divine, I ask spirits that you work with me now in order to sanctify this water. And as I step into this water is the old version of me. I am going to be baptized, born anew, and this curse is completely removed. Ashe away your mess now, leave nothing lingering.